as they fly by. Just go and get it, don't be watching from the sidelines. Working harder than ever, I know this my time. If you want it, you know it's real, you gon' shine bright. Yeah, life will point you in directions. Keep walking down the road, whichever way you gon' accept it. Don't ever think to look back, look forward, don't regret shit. I'm only here to open ears and spread the message.
Hello everyone, this is your boy Christian. Today I will be talking about the top 10 stocks to buy now. First of all, this is not a financial advice, only for entertainment only. Make sure you guys do your own diligent research. Uh, on this video I will be talking about the market overall and my top 10 stocks for swings only. I do believe these stocks are cheap, undervalued at these prices. Make sure you guys having a strategic plan where to enter and exit, and let's get this started. Okay, so first of all, we have ES, which is futures. You can see that, well, we're bullish on ES just because we're holding this 21 MA. This is the 4-hour chart. You can see as long as we stay above the 200, which is 38.96 on ES, we're looking extremely bullish. If I go to the SPY the same thing. You can see we're, as long as we stay above this 200 moving average, which is around 388, 390, we're extremely bullish. I do expect for SPY to keep going higher just because stimulus check is rolling up. I do expect money flowing into the stock market and into crypto, everywhere basically. And then, if I don't know if you guys noticed, but we've been all-time highs. So, I mean, since I think the beginning of the year, we've been spiking up on bonds, so that's a bad catalyst for the market. But as you noticed today, we finally had a pullback on bonds, so I do expect the market to start recovering if we go to QQQ. Let me take this out. You can see on the 4 hours we're looking bullish. All of the price action is moving to the upside. I do see a big resistance at these levels, um, which is the 200 moving average. So tomorrow I will be watching this 319, 320 level. Once we cross, I do believe that we're going to start going up crazy. And then if we see Bitcoin, we're almost hitting our support at this 200 moving average. The 200 moving average, it can be an indicator for strong support. So the bigger the time frame, the stronger the support, especially on this 200 moving average. So expect a bounce once we touch, or we don't even have to touch on here, to be honest. I do expect Bitcoin to start going up again, at least to those 50, 60,000 levels. Okay, so my top 10 stocks now. So first of all, following Bitcoin, we have TAN. So TAN, you notice that we were, uh, you know, so this is a solar ETF. I mean, it looks really good on this chart. I do expect them to start going up just because we're sorry, this is not following Bitcoin. This is following more the energy sector. So this is an ETF. I do think that around 80s, 90s should be a good buy for TAN. The other one that I see, uh, the other ones that I see on the energy sector is Plug. You can see Plug has been going down massive also. Um, it was around 75. Right now it's around 38. Um, under 40 should be a good buying opportunity for Plug. So if you're buying under 40s, you should be good. If you're buying shares, if you're buying options, make sure you be safe and do like 1 month or 2 months options calls. I do expect Plug to go back to around 50s, which will be, a strong resistance level. So I have Plug and Cell, and then the third one will be F-Cell. F-Cell will be the third one just because you can see um, it doesn't have any other catalyst and, kind of following the trend on Plug and, everything related to the energy sector. Um, so at these prices, around 11 to 15 super cheap prices, you notice we almost hit $30 if you like like a month ago or 2 months ago. So at these prices we are at a cheap price. This is on FCEL. um, and then we have the wheat sector, which is TLRY, Tilray. Sorry for my mess on here. Let me remove this little drawing on here. You can see on Tilray, I do see that we have a strong support around these 22 levels, 20 to 22 levels. I do expect a bounce, but as long as you buy around 20 levels, you should be buying this at, super cheap price. As you can see with the run, we had a big run to 77. I will not be surprised if we start rallying again on the wheat sector. This is Tilray, and then you can follow AFA. That's another wheat stock. We're we're hitting right now the 200 moving average. If we can even go even lower, but under $20, this is a super cheap stock. Whenever with stock tends to run, they tend to go crazy up. So keep an eye on this sector. The other one is um, the other ones that I want you guys to keep an eye on is on Begin Food, which the big one is BYND. Beyond, if I go to the 1 day chart, you can see that we're hitting the strongest support at the moment, and previously we've been back and forth from around 200 all the way back to this level. So if you can get it around 130s to 120s, you're buying a good deal for swing only. Um, Even for a long term, this should be a good buy on Beyond. The other one that I see a lot of value is Tattoo Chef. Tattoo Chef, it's on the same sector as Beyond Meat. Right now, this is the bigger time frame. We're hitting the 20 levels. I do I do think this at these prices is super cheap. So at this price, it should be a good price opportunity to start buying and loading the boat. This is for Tattoo Chef. Uh, and then we have Mara. This is following crypto. Mara. And then we have Mara around, if you can see, following Bitcoin, since I'm expecting Bitcoin to start going up um, early by tomorrow. I do expect Mara to bounce around 36 $37. If you can get it at these prices, this is a dirt cheap um, stack. So at these prices, there's no way you should be losing on Mara. So if you get it around 36 under $36, you're buying it for dirt cheap. I'm telling you guys one more time, dirt cheap. The other one that I want you guys to see is this one, CAN. That one went all the way to $40. Right now it's around 22. Keep an eye on this one tomorrow. I do expect a big rally tomorrow on everything related to crypto. So keep an eye on TAN, Mara, and the last one, Riot. So Riot, right now it's at 54. I do expect at least around 50 $51 tomorrow. If we can get it under $50, this is a third, cheap stack that you can get it. Like if you can get it around 50, either under 50, you're going to be making cash. So keep an eye on these stacks. Make sure you guys have a game plan. Remember to to um, to like. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, share this video to everyone who you think has value to them. Make sure to subscribe if you guys want to see weekly videos like this. Until the next time.